Hello everyone and welcome to our today's tutorial. Today we are actually going to be creating our bootable USB from ISO file. For more details, make sure to check the links in the description of this video. In order to create our bootable USB from ISO file, make sure to get ready your ISO file on your desktop. Secondly, if you have any free antivirus installed on your PC, make sure to uninstall or deactivate the read-time protection. The reason why we ask you to do this is to avoid the creation of corruptible bootable USB. This is because some free antivirus might tend to recognize some of the ISO autorun files as viruses, which may tend to block the copying of this autorun file to a USB device, therefore leading to the creation of corruptible bootable USB. So, that being said, I will go ahead to deactivate the read-time protection of my free antivirus. After deactivating the read-time protection of your antivirus, make sure to insert your USB drive to your computer USB port in order to get it formatted. But before formatting your USB drive, make sure to back up any important files in order to prevent or avoid any loss of data. So I will go ahead to insert my USB drive to my computer in order to get it formatted. This is my USB drive. I will right click and choose the format option in order to get it formatted. Leave all the properties, the setting properties, as default and hit the start button and choose OK. Give a little wait in order for the formatting process to get completed. Format complete and choose OK. After the formatting process has been completed, head over to your browser and search for WinToFlash.com website. WinToFlash is an application that can be used in creating our bootable USB from ISO. However, there exist other applications that could also be used in creating our bootable USB from ISO files. But today we are actually going to be using WinToFlash application in order to create our bootable USB from ISO file. So you will go to choose your language. I choose I speak English. Scroll down to the page and choose the download now button. Choose the Light Edition Setup download, and our downloading process. Give a little wait in order to complete the downloading process. After the downloading process has been completed, make sure to install to your PC device. Next, next, and install. After the installation process has been completed, make sure to follow the remaining steps in order to complete this tutorial. I accept. Next. Free license. Next. 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 Choose the tick and next. I have ISO image or archive and choose next. Now you need to locate your ISO file. This is our ISO file. Double click on the ISO file and select next. Next. Accept the terms and select continue. Give a little wait for the process to copy on our USB flash drive. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for new post notifications and update. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. And now I know my